Alright, today I got my wideband installed and I'm getting to about the home stretch of getting everything out that I need. Now it's time to start putting stuff back in. Kind of the last project before we put all the new stuff back in is this mount right here is the transmission mount, and I'm going to drop it down, getting to some bolts on this side over here, and like the engine inserts, these are going to go in there. Talking about my transmission mount project, I took it out here and I was originally going to put these inserts into it, but what ended up happening is, since this mount is about 14 years old, these inserts simply don't fit. This rubber in here is way too smashed up, and the gap here that this is supposed to fit into leaves a lot of extra space to be cleared out. And so I ended up getting them pressed in, but in the process this happened, and you can see that crack there, and on this side it started peeling away right inside there. So this transmission mount is shot, so I'm going to replace it with this solid motor mount. This thing is pretty awesome. It's built pretty nice, has the most amount of urethane that I could find in a company using, so hopefully it won't give me too bad of a vibration issue. It will definitely help with my acceleration with the wheel hop, so that's pretty cool. But this one's going in to replace this guy. In fact, I found out this is discontinued, so I can't even order this anymore. Best I could do is find a used one on eBay. So here we go, new and improved. Alright, there it is. Brand new transmission mount, all squeezed in there. Thing looks pretty sweet.